In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your files or folders in Google Drive. Whether you're working on a confidential project or simply want to ensure that your personal documents are safely tucked away, setting up the right access settings is crucial. Let's dive into the steps to secure your information effortlessly. The process begins by heading over to the Google Drive site. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your drive. Once you're in, your first task is to locate the file or folder you wish to protect. Take a moment to navigate through your folders and find the specific item that needs securing. Once you've found it, hover over it and give it a right-click to reveal the Options menu. From this menu, select the Share option. This will bring up the sharing settings where you can control who gets to see or interact with your file. Now, in the General Access section of the sharing settings, you'll want to set it to Restricted. By doing this, you ensure that only people you specifically select can access the file or folder. This is a vital step to prevent unauthorized users from stumbling upon your sensitive information. Following this, you can fine-tune who has access by editing the list of people and groups. Select the individuals you want to give access to, and then set their access level as either viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on the degree of interaction and editing you want them to have with your document. A viewer will only be able to look at the content. A commenter can leave feedback, and an editor can make changes. Be thoughtful about who gets what level of access to maintain the integrity of your work. For added security, click on the gear icon to enter settings. Here, you have the option to uncheck. Editors can change permissions and share. This additional lock ensures that only you can alter the access settings, further safeguarding your document from being shared without your permission. At this point, your files are securely shared. However, if you want to add another layer of security before even uploading the file to Google Drive, you can use tools like WinRAR or 7-Zip to compress your file and protect it with a password. This is particularly helpful if you're dealing with exceptionally confidential material. Once you've decided on the level of protection and adjustments you want, simply click Done to save all your settings. Congratulations, your file is now secured on Google Drive. With these easy steps, you have greater control over your digital privacy, allowing you to collaborate safely and confidently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.